Hey, welcome back to, what is this, like part 5 or 6? So yeah, the little arms tab in together. If I could get this one to tab. Come on, tab, you stupid arm. So yeah, after they tab in, they want you to take that, flip it out, and then kind of raise it up a bit, and, well, there you go. It's built. It has little wheels on him, but they don't really want to roll. Although, between the little police car, which is Stakeout, and REViEW, I think REViEW's probably the better one out of these two. So now let's get into the combined mode, which is the Binder Boost Salvage Blaster. Say that 5 times fast. Binder Boost Salvage Blaster. I'm not, but yeah. So just kind of flip this down like this. Close that. Raise it up. As they're saying here. And then we are going to unpad the feet. So kind of de-transform it back into robot mode as they want. So the feet get straightened out. Those kind of get straightened out like that. Pull the arms from the side. You're not supposed to detail the feet, but there we go. Kind of like that. And rotate this around. So you do want to spin it around like this. Okay. Now they want us to fold this part back down. Okay. So that goes down. And the arms go up again, I believe. Yeah, like I said, their instructions are not that great. So we just pretty much untab it just to do this, and then we fold it over itself. So now these little skids are going to kind of lodge into these pads over here. Come on. I know I'm doing a lot of this off camera, but yeah, that's just kind of how you have to kind of do it, because, well, they don't want to work too good.